a quick video for Andy in Bremen for Delta Juliet 6 Alpha Sierra. I invited him to participate the Big Gun Friendship Net, and he was telling me he got a vertical 40-meter wire antenna with a counterpoise, and this antenna works fine during the daylight hours. He is able to work the Europeans, but shortly after sundown, 40-meter band is dead. Look, Andy.
Alpha Charlie 1 November Quebec calling CT.
This is Ronnie in Maine.
Alpha Charlie 1 November Quebec.
He's one of the net control.
India Tango 9 Bravo Lima Oscar. November 3 Tango Zulu for the first time. Hello, Joe. India Tango 9 Bravo Lima Oscar.
They're doubling and tripling a little bit.
Alright, Joe. I know there's another station out there. Was there somebody else trying to check in?
DK5 ONV/portable.
DK5 ONV/portable. How about you, Uncle Guenter?
I'm doing very good. Good evening, Hammerly. This is your friend Guenter from the shores of the Rhine River. DK5 ONV/portable, and you are super strong, Ronnie. You're 5 dB over the 9 with me. Alpha Charlie 1 November Quebec. DK5 ONV.
Roger that. I had you at a 5.8 Alpha Guenter.
QSL, thank you for the 58. Yeah, the band is a little bit up and down. Strong QS Baltimore in the signals, but I was able to copy quite a couple of stations. Please, Ronnie, add me on the list, and I will be patiently waiting in the background. Back to the net. AC1 NQ DK5 ONV.
Gotta bring in one more person before I start passing light. Alpha Charlie 1 November Quebec.
Oh, we doubled. Yeah, that happens. So this is how we roll, Andy. Roger, DK5 ONV.